Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're just going to be looking at how to fix the problem of, as you can see, the name label does not exist in the current context. So basically I've taken out a function from the form class and put it in its own class. So because of that, the label isn't recognised. So all we need to do to fix that is just type form, give it a name up here, and then use form f dot on each of the labels. And that should fix it. Oh, don't forget to put form 1. There, that's why it was still red. There, that's fixed it. Form 1. That should match what your form is up here, where it says form 1. Alright? Okay, thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments box, and hopefully you can like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.